Hello everyone, it is Andrea and today we're going to go over what kits I plan to use in my memory keeping planner for the month of September. So let's go ahead and flip her on open. I have some August still in here, but let's go through what I haven't shown you yet. So first kit here, which all of these they could change, they could stay the same, who actually knows. I'm definitely going more the fall vibes than Halloween this year. I'm going Halloween more for that October month. So the first kit that I have here, I'm obsessed with this art. I think it's so beautiful. September 1st through the 7th, I do have the Royal Court. This was the July 2025 mystery from my shop. And I am so obsessed with this. It's funny because I saw it like this in my divider and I was like, oh, I need a foil bundle for it. And I went and I actually grabbed this foil bundle again. And I was like, oh, that's perfect. That's like what I want to use with it. But that's like what it came with. So that's when you know it's good. I feel like it also would look really cute with like a star or a sparkly, but I'm going to use the gilded because I haven't used gilded yet. So this is the Royal Court Mystery art. This is exclusive art to the mystery. It'll come back into shop next year, but if you want to get it beforehand, I would check out the buy sell trade group because every once in a while a mystery will pop up on there. I do, like I said, have the gilded Champagne Lights foil bundle that came with the ultimate kit. And then also from Hannah's shop, Planet Hannah, I do have the floral wallpaper. I think this is in burgundy, but I just thought this would be really pretty. I'm probably going to do the gilded on top of it, and I think that'll be a really nice like look and kind of deep for fall. But like I said, I think you could have also went with like stars or florals, something fantasy if you wanted to bring in more of that vibe. I love it. I'm really excited for it. This is the week of Hannah's birthday, so I always try and use some kind of Harry Potter kit. So this week I am using Diagon Alley. This will be available in, I think it becomes available like in pop culture pop-ups, which I should do one soon. I've gotten a lot of requests for this kit, this kit, this kit. Not like this kit, but like kits, and they are part of pop culture pop-up. So I do need to do one soon. This one is a newer one, so have the extras. And then I don't know if I'm going to use these. I think I do, just because I want to make it like a really dark vibe, and then do these wizard keys from Hannah's shop in the matte bronze, matte silver, which will brighten that up a smidge, but it'll still be dark. And then I also from Hannah's shop have this Harry Potter binge bottom washi, which I'll probably just use like the top ones. And I might even like do bows and then do like one in the middle and like make my own little like mixed metal washi. I do have these from my shop, which are the months in matte bronze. And then I have a matte bronze, matte silver star foil bundle. And I thought that that would go perfectly. At first I pulled out a gilded silver, which I think was in not last month's mystery, but or maybe it was last month. It was in I think it was in either last month or the month before's mystery. But then I was like, oh, I have this star mixed metal foil bundle, so that is totally perfect for this set because stars, magical, you know. This, that, and another thing, but it's Hannah's 30th birthday, so it is a big one. She's hitting the 30s, and, you know, she's always like, I'm in my 20s. No longer, darling, no longer. September 15th to the 21st. I don't think I'm really doing anything in September, like, event-wise. I feel like in October is where things start ramping up. Nothing is like, oh, I'm using this week for this, but I'm hoping that it's cooler by this week because I am a farmer now, in case you didn't know. I'm a gardener. But like also like what constitutes farmer? Like I guess maybe animals, but I have a dog. Like maybe, I don't know. But I'm using the Autumn Harvest collection. Is this for this one? No. I don't know if I need to. I have like an order, oopsies, for myself on SPC. And I don't remember if I put these on here, if I need to. Autumn Harvest, yeah. I have those in my order, so I'll just slip the rest of them in with the background boxes. It's not a color that's in the set, I don't think, yet, because this is a little bit more of a like muted, desaturated tan color. But I want to keep this kind of simple, so I didn't do anything fancy, but I think rose gold will be really pretty with this. I also think like a copper. I think if I do change my mind on anything, I might change this to copper, but I think copper might be a little bit too orange, if that makes sense, whereas I feel like this is kind of leaning in more towards like the red, kind of the red yellowish colors, like this kind of color. Rose gold. I don't know. I I don't know. I feel like if there was a middle between copper and rose gold, I feel like that'd be the pick, but I think I'm going to lean more towards the rose gold. I think it's just, maybe it's because I like rose gold as a foil butter. And then last but certainly not least, and then we go into the top secret section, which always just makes me giggle because I'm just like annoying. This is Enchanted Academia, which was exclusive like fall Halloween art for my shop this year. I wanted to do something, I do have my Knish Jess exclusive, but I wanted to do something that was fall but also still had like light Halloween vibes for a custom. I definitely think that this could have been a mystery, but you know, she's in shop, she's live, laugh, loving, and I love her. I'm obsessed. Have the extras and such still available if you want to pop her open. Then we have the I think this is Pixie Dust Lavender Hollow. I think it'd be really pretty with this. It's another one where I actually was like, oh, I don't have the foil, and I pulled out Lavender Hollow confetti, and then I was like flipping through it. I'm like, oh, actually yes, this is a better choice with the sparkles because I feel like it goes more with the magical elements. And then I kind of went weird with this one. I don't think I have like background boxes or anything for this. I might end up pulling out, which I do think I do have, which I'll put it with it just in case I decide. I think I have, yeah, I don't have plain black, but I do have black glitter, which I feel like is the same. It just gives it a little bit of dimension. And then I have these gems, and I think this is Oil Slick. Correct me if I'm wrong, Hannah, but this is Oil Slick Gems, and I thought that might be fun in the background to bring in the like purpley, there's like a green in here, there's a purple, I don't know. I just think it might be like a fun vibe. It'll be very light, like with everything on top of it, but I think it might be cute. I'm definitely a smidgy nervous on that one, like a little teeny smidge, but I think it could be a fun time. But also I could lay it down and be like, absolutely not, and just ditch that opportunity, which is nice because like I feel like unless I have like 2-3 box days like where I need all these, I could always do like a sample on one and just kind of decide if I want to do that. Which, should I see what it'll look like? Let's just see for the sake of the vibes. Yeah, I feel like that could be fun, right? I think it could be a vibe. I feel like the green is a little bit more of like a blue green on here, but I still think it could be pretty with like everything on top. But otherwise, I think it's like a really fun match. So we'll let it simmer, but I'm leaning towards, yes, that's going to be the situation. So that is everything that I'm using for the month of September. Give you a little peek into my ideas for October. I'm saving a week because I know Knish Jess has like art she just released, but I don't know if she's releasing more art. This is the week of Bennett's birthday. This is the week of nothing important, and that's my exclusive art. So that's what I'm thinking currently, but that'll probably change till, you know, I plan the video. So that is everything. I hope you like this video. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.